Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of organization and practicality with a product that promises to revolutionize your space. Get ready to hang tough with the best hooks for heavy items on the market. ZEYU folding coat hooks. These aren't your average hooks, oh no. ZEYU brings us a set of 5 wall hooks crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, engineered to withstand the weight of your heaviest items without breaking a sweat. Let's talk durability. These hooks are built to last. Made from sturdy aluminum alloy, they're not only strong enough to handle heavy loads but also resistant to rust and erosion. Say goodbye to flimsy hooks that bend and break under pressure. But wait, there's more. ZEYU knows that space is precious, which is why they've designed these hooks to be foldable. When in use, simply open them up to hang your items securely. And when you don't need them, fold them away to save valuable room space. It's convenience and functionality rolled into one sleek design. Installation? A breeze. With the included screws and hollow wall anchors, mounting these hooks is as easy as pie. Whether you're mounting them onto solid wood or wood studs, ZEYU has you covered. And let's talk value. With 5 hooks in a pack, along with all the necessary hardware for installation, ZEYU offers incredible bang for your buck. You're getting premium quality at an unbeatable price. So, whether you're looking to tidy up your closet, organize your garage, or simply keep your space clutter-free, ZEYU folding coat hooks are the ultimate solution. Say hello to a world where heavy duty meets space-saving convenience. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, stay organized, stay stylish, and stay tuned for more.